Hey guys, welcome back to another video flash custom transfers brought to you by Straight Outta Content. And today, as you can see, the YouTuber with attitude, the biggest YouTuber on YouTube. Anyway, guys, look, I'm here to introduce to you guys this amazing brand new product. You guys know we're always dropping products. So the last product that we just dropped was 22 by 60, the big joints, the big sheets. Now we are doing individual sheets. We've always wanted to get as close as possible to just one sheet, to a customer being able to just come to our website and be like, you know what? I just want a really cool Astro sheet. You know what? I just want a really cool transfer, one single. I just want one beautiful image that I don't have to purchase a minimum for or anything like that. So now we have officially done it. Every image that you see here that's a 10 by 10 is only $7, guys. $7. Come on in and get all this beautiful image right here. So all these images right here are available on the website, but now by the time these videos drop, you guys will see these images available for purchase for only $7 each. They're 10s, they're 10 width, they're, what's it called, babe? Adult size?
Standard adult.
Adult, oh, standard what?
Standard adult.
Standard adult. So as you guys can see, I'm a big guy. This is an extra large. This is like perfect for my size. So we decided to do 10 inch width standard adult, and then we keep everything in proportion. So it's going to proportion it right. The ratio is going to be correct. So all of these images are going to be $7. So we started with Thanksgiving, and then we also have Christmas, and then we have. Okay, guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video just to let you know that all of those Houston Astros singles that you've seen, those are all sold out. Those singles are sold out. So we are still selling the pre-made Houston Astros. You guys can actually go to the website right now and get the pre-made Houston Astros gang sheets. But as far as the individuals, we do not have those on the website. We're just going to focus on Christmas, Thanksgiving, and maybe a few other things like just a lot of popular images. So maybe like the Grinch and stuff like that. A couple other different images that we want to focus on. So we still have the 22 by 24 pre-made Houston Astros gang sheets if you guys still want to get those. I just want to cut into this video and just let you guys know that those ones that you're seeing in the video that I'm telling you guys are available, they are already sold out. Let's go ahead and let's get back into the video. These are Astros ones. And what's cool about these Astros?
$6.
Oh, it's $6? Oh, I'm bugging. $6. Look at that, even better. The price is even better. $6, guys, $6. And $5 shipping, right? Mm-hmm. $6 per image, $5 shipping. Now, it's not $5 shipping per image either. So if you get 3 images, remember, again, like the other companies, they have minimums. You can actually come to our website and purchase one image, whichever one is on the website, one single for $6. It's gonna be a 10 by 10, ready to go. We'll put it up, mail it. Now, if you purchase 3, you're only paying $5 shipping, but you're getting, 3 individual images. So now you're not obligated to purchase a gang sheet. Now you're not obligated to purchase a pre-made sheet, which we also have on the website, and they're going crazy, $15 pre-made sheets. Now you can just come to the website, click the image that you want, have it shipped to your door for super cheap. So 6 and 5 is $11. So, maybe plus taxes in there too. But if you're local, we got free local pickup. So if you order a $6 image from the website, go over to the local UPS and you can go pick up your images. What's cool, Shelly just came out with these images since we're kind of getting rid of our Astro inventory. Are we gonna keep the Astros, babe?
What do you mean keep it?
Like, are we gonna keep this individual Astros singles?
We'll see how it goes, see how it sells.
These we're gonna keep, right, forever? Yeah, so we're definitely gonna keep the holiday ones forever. The Christmas ones, guys, when you see the Christmas ones, all you nurses out there, anybody out there in the medical field, guys, we got some amazing Christmas. We love Christmas over here. So we just did like a couple Thanksgiving ones, and then these are like the precursor to the big Christmas wave that we're gonna do. And then we're trying to get rid of all these. So these will still be $6, but like Shelly said, if you get this one, Shelly's gonna throw in one of these little ones. So if you get this big one, Shelly's gonna throw in a little one, you know what I mean? Like a little surprise, a little gift for you guys. So please jump out to the website right now, just like you guys did for those 22 by 60s. When we rolled out those 22 by 60s, you guys went crazy. So we truly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Now we want you guys to jump online, and we're gonna continue to build our stock just like we did with our free stock images. We built our stock there. You guys can go there and get free Christmas images, free Thanksgiving images, free Halloween images, free back to school images, free breast cancer awareness images, free Halloween images, free fall images. What else, babe?
Astros.
Astros images, and just a whole lot more. I think there's even more. I'm probably forgetting some. And then we're also, most of those images, Shelly and I went through and we created, oh, in fact, right now, yeah, the new Christmas pre-made gang sheets are on the website. Yes, as of right now, because I just did them a couple hours ago before we filmed this video. So the pre-made Christmas, again, all the pre-made 22 by 24 pre-made sheets are only $15. $15, and now the new low price is only $6, guys. You guys can't beat it. You know that we are always here to create a product, not for our benefit, but to benefit every customer out there, every person out there who's looking to start their own business. So you can purchase the sheets from us for $6. You can go to a local farmer's market or something like that. You can purchase a bunch or whatever and do the same thing that you see here on the table. Or you can purchase a gang sheet, cut out all the images and go to your local farmer's market and, and produce a great product, because you guys know how strong these are and stuff like that. So, oh, if you got any questions on the shirt, email me if you want the shirt. I'm not going to put them on the website. I'm coming out with a bunch of new merch. It's only going to be available through custom order, through email and stuff like that. But just stay tuned. Whenever you see me, I might be in something new. This right here is not really new, but I figured I'd wear it in this video as we get closer to Christmas. So if you want it, DM me on Instagram or email order@flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, these will all be on the website at flashcustomtransfers.com. If you have any questions, or you want to give us some advice, or hey, maybe you guys should offer these, do that. You can ask us all those questions at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Order now, flashcustomtransfers.com. That's it, guys. $6, $6. These images, we're gonna have way more. So way more. We just wanted to introduce this. We're actually the ones who are cutting all of these out. So as more things come in, Shelly and I are gonna have to figure that part out, chopping all these up. And then just to touch on shipping, because we just got that product right there. I don't know if you want to just pan through it really quick. Maybe, yeah. Boom, yeah, look at that. That just hit our door. So I filmed Shelly, and go check out Shelly's video. Shelly's got a way better video. You guys want to see Shelly? You guys want to see, pretty Shelly over there? Go check Shelly out on Flash Custom Transfers. Check out her video. She did the same one. But right after I filmed that video, we seen this thing right here at the door. So what she touches on in that video, guys, having so many issues with UPS, went over to USPS. They're having so many issues. And now another UPS package just shows up at our door and we have to figure out how to ship it out. So we get a lot of emails of people saying, hey, we don't get our stuff, or they messed up and stuff like that. We do our best. We do our best to package it, to tape it, to ship it correct. Sometimes we go above and beyond and ship it, like 2-day or something like that. And sometimes they just drop the ball. So again, we apologize for that. We do our best, but once it's in the hand of these shipping carriers, it's really out of our responsibility, but we still do our best on our end. So that's how we're gonna end this video. Guys, go get these pre-made singles. More and more are coming. We appreciate all your business that you guys have given us. Please leave a bunch of comments down below. Let us know if you guys like this. In the comments, let us know if there's any other images that you want to see as far as pre-made singles. Like what popping, trending pre-made singles do you guys want to see? Please leave all those in the comments down below. You guys know my slogan. I'm out of here. I am hungry, but I think I already ate breakfast. So maybe I can't eat yet. But I know what I want for lunch. Peace.